is different, RabbitMQ is different.
Sorry. Sorry.
Apache Kafka is different, RabbitMQ also different, right? Here, both are messaging only, right?
Yeah, both are the different tools are there to implement what messaging queues. But here I will use what Kafka tool.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, so message queues, right? Message queues. Message queues, right? Queues. So what is why for a continuous data flow, for continuous data flow, and we will implement using what? Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka. Okay, good. So still any module description is left. So okay, logging is left, right? This one, right? So here in microservices we are using what? In microservices, normal log framework we are not using. We are using what? A distributed logging. Distributed logging. Distributed what? Logging. Distributed logging. And this distributed logging we will implement using what? ELK. ELK means what? Elastic search. Search and what? Log and what? Log status. And what? To view that what? Log messages. For that purpose we will use one UI, that is what? Kibana UI. Kibana UI. Okay guys, so okay, so now okay, so but one more things we forget, right? We will use, what is that? We will use ribbon, right? Ribbon. Why we are using the ribbon? I'll tell guys. Okay, so if just, it's not meaning that if all projects are there, all projects is what? Different, right? All projects are what? Different, right? So connect to all project to each other. Connect our project to each other. For that means what? This project can be connect, cart project can be connected with this one. Our project can, if we want to connect our project to each other, so for that purpose our what? Our Eureka server is given what? Ribbon memory, right? Ribbon right? Ribbon.
Yes, Ravi.
Ribbon.
This question also asking about the
Yeah, to connecting all microservices to each other. For that purpose we are using what? Ribbon. For that purpose what we are using now? We are using what? Ribbon. Okay, so we, yeah.
Excuse me, sir. So what is the difference between ribbon and REST template?
Sorry?
What is the difference between ribbon and REST template?
Ribbon and what? REST template.
REST template. Yeah, because I do understand that REST template is used to it enables like microservices to talk to each other, right?
REST template, right? To develop our client, for that purpose we are using REST template. No, I think you forget. You are there in what? Spring Boot REST session.
Yes, but I do understand that REST template is just a mechanism where
both things is different. Both things is different, man. Why you are comparing REST template to what? Ribbon.
Oh, okay.
Both are the different things, right? And you are comparing with what? I don't know why this question is came in your brain. Okay, just put your message right in the group. I will check once, because I also maybe some combination is there. I also don't know. Okay, I'll check it once. Okay, I'll check it once, because I also don't know everything, guys. If I say that I know everything, that is a bad things, right? Programming, if the person is saying I know each and everything, that is the very bad things, na?
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
So okay, yeah, a little bit my experiences is there, and even I like experimenting a lot on the subject. That's it. Okay, except that if the person is started in our session only experimenting on our API and all those things, that person also can explain easily, right? So that only just I'm spending time, much time to what with the what technology. That's it. Except that, nothing. If I say that I only know that everything, very bad things. So don't worry, just put your query in group, right? I will check once. Okay, what is your query whenever I will get the time. So okay, so okay,
Yeah,
so
no problem. Thanks.
yeah, so to connect all microservices to each other, for that purpose we are using what? Ribbon. So that is called what? Microservices intra communication. That is called what? Microservices intra communication. So here what? 8 and 9, ninth one, right? Ninth one. Okay, ninth one. Microservices intra communication. Intra communication. We will use, what is that? We will use what? Using what? Discovery client. Discovery client or what? Load balancer, right? Load balancer. We can implement those things using what? First one is what I'm telling. First one is what I'm telling. What? First one I'm telling what? Using what? Discovery client. Right? Discovery client. And the second one is what? Second one is I'm giving load balancer. Load balance. Load balancer client. Yeah, there is somewhere similarity is there, but what the things is totally different. I will conclude it. Okay, I will conclude it. But the question first, I will see your question, then I will also prefer one time the documentation, then I will give the clear answer. Okay, clear answer. So load balancer. Okay, so load balancer using client ribbon only. This is what? Ribbon only, right? We will implement using what? These two concepts. Based on these two concepts only, we will implement what? Intra communication is nothing but what? Using what? Ribbon tool. We will implement those things. Okay, guys. So this is the description about what? All component. This is the description about what? All component I given, guys. Okay, I given. So I'm giving to you guys the task. Okay, I'm giving the task, right? Draw this diagram 2 to 3
Ravi,
times.
I have one doubt, Ravi.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Ravi, I heard some of thing like fee and rest client where we need to use.
Fee and rest client.
Yeah.
Fee and rest client.
That is also microservices intra-communication.
Yes. Fee and rest client also, that is also abstract series. Ribbon is what? Manual coding, right? Ribbon is what? Manual coding. And what is that? Fee and client is what? Abstract client. Okay, this is generated by code by default only. That is a different. And this one also, we can use this one also. Here also. Third one, let's take third one also. No issue. Good question.
In my project, they are using fee and rest client, right? That's
Okay,
why I'm asking.
I will explain this one only, right? The main, this one only in the real time, more usage is there. This one only. This is what? The nothing in the load balancer client and what? Fee and client, much different is not there. The different is what? This is the manual coding. This is what? MANUAL, right? Correct, na? Manual spelling is correct, right? manual coding, and this
Yes,
is
sir.
what? This is what? Abstract, right? This is what? Abstract client.
And one more component in my application,
Client, that is a
they are
general
using Jipkins, Ravi. I don't know that one.
Jipkin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, no issue. Jipkin also will come, but give the time. Jipkin will come. Okay, fine. So
Yeah.
here
In
this
my
one.
project, they are using, I don't know. That's why I'm asking them.
Yeah, I know that. Okay, I know that. Ribbon, this is what? Generated code. This is what? Generated code. This is the different only. Both are the same only, right? Load balancer client and what is a fin client, both are the same only, but here what will happen now? Here we will get what? Generated code, but here we will write a manual code to connect all what? Microservices to each other. Got it the point? Come on, give the response. Because of you only I added because of you.
Yeah. Yes, Ravi. I got it.
Got it. Usage, both
Yeah.
both usage is same only, right? But here what is that? The normal things is what? Normally is what? Here the code we will get what? Generated code. Like what we are testing using what? Anyone remember it? What? How we are testing? Like using Postman also we are testing our API, as well as what? And using
Swagger
what?
also we are using.
Swagger.
Swagger
And
also.
Swagger is given what? All generated UI, right? Just we are clicking that,
Yes.
just we are putting the data, and we can test it. But in what? Like in the Postman, what we are doing now? Everything, like all data we are writing, even we are writing the what? Variable name also, and we are selecting what?
Yes.
Request
Ravi.
types. Got it the difference?
Yes, sir.
SOAP UI also, right, Ravi?
Soap? Why you are talking about the soap here? Yeah.
Not checking API only.
Soap is
REST
a
API.
soap is what? Web services. If you want to check your web services, right? So for that purpose we are checking. But
Yeah.
soap is a totally different concept.
Actually web services two types. One is the SOAP web services,
Yeah.
another one is the RESTful web services.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are learning the RESTful web
Yeah.
services, right? We are not learning the soap, right? Soap to test what? Soap services. SOAP web services. For that purpose we are using SOAP UI. So now this is the today discussion now, guys. Okay, so remember this one. Rewind. Just I'm giving one task, guys. Draw this diagram 2 to 3 times. Draw this diagram 2 to 3 times. Everything will come. Okay, just description I given about this one. Okay, nothing extra thing I explain. Even just my motto is what? To present this diagram front of you. That's it. So the
Yes, Ravi, sure we will do.
yeah, I'm requesting
Ravi, yeah.
I'm requesting to you people, draw this diagram 2 to 3 times, right? And some questions, search the some question also, guys. Okay, search some question. I'm giving some questions also. Okay, search it. Question number 1. Question
Okay,
number 1.
Ravi. Okay.
Question number 1. What is the difference between AWS and what is the Spring Cloud? What is difference between
AWS cloud and
AWS and what? AWS and what? Spring Cloud.
Spring Cloud.
Spring Cloud, right? This is one question. And question number 2. Just search it, guys. Okay, I'll and put this answer in what? Group. Okay. And another question.
Okay, sure.
What is the cloud computing? Cloud computing. And question number 3. Question number 3. I'm giving question number 3. What are the different type of IP address? What are different types of IP? Okay, These are the questions, guys. Okay, these are the questions. Just answer it.
Okay,
In the group only, right? In the group only, not today, between, right? Because I will start next section in the next weekend only, right? Coming weekend only, right? Today our weekend is completed, and tomorrow onward my office work is there. I can't take the session. I can't take the session now. I will share this document again on what? Our Facebook, on our Facebook group. And
The small system we can manage.
and one more task. One more task I'm giving, right? One more task I'm giving. Draw this diagram, right? Draw this diagram 2 to 3 times. 2 to 3 times. Can you do that?
Sure, Ravi,
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, we can do.
We will.
Yeah.
Give the response, everyone, okay? Because today our class is over now. Class is over now.
Sure,
guys.
Ravi. Sure, Ravi.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sure, Ravi. What is
So,
cloud computing? What is different from IP
Yeah.
address? Okay. Draw this diagram 2 times.
yeah.
Okay.
So, okay, so still nothing, okay, just a component I explained. Even the like practical is left, guys. At the time we will learn what brief discussion about this component. Okay, so just I introduce all module and all component. That's it, all component only. Whatever component will be there in microservices, those component, and this component only we will learn 2 months. Right?
Okay,
Okay,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Can I expect all answer? And what is that? People will draw that one, that diagram as well as what? Answer that question.
Sure. Sure.
Ravi,
Yes.
yeah.
Can
Yeah, do.
Can I expect it, guys?
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
yes, sir. We have.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi, yeah.
And one
Sure,
more
Ravi,
thing.
we will
Sure.
draw the thing.
One more things, guys. Don't worry.
Yeah, why not? Why not, Ravi?
These videos I will upload on YouTube channel, but next weekend onward not, because you know the like one person came right in the session just now. I joined the session. Don't worry. Let's give one chance to them, right? And the next time onward, just guys, okay. Again, if anybody asking like this question, my answer is the same. Why you are joining the late? I can also join the late also, right? Just think about that. If I join the late, then what will happen? 19, 20 member will wait, right?
Stop the recording, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, please stop the recording.